Pajjiżi Ewropej għandhom għaliex jgħiru għal Malta. Kliem il-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Martin Schulz meta tkellem ma' One News dwar il-bidliet li raf pajjiżna fl-aħħar xhur.
I think with the change of the government, the country became stronger. Joseph Muscat is a well-experienced European. I used to work with him together in the European Parliament. And looking to the economic figures, to the growth rate in the country, I think a lot of European countries are jealous if they look to the economic development in Malta.
Fl-Ewropa jgħixu 507 miljun ruħ li l-koll huma rrappreżentati fil-Parlament Ewropew. Staqsejna lil Martin Schulz li huwa wkoll kandidat għall presidenza tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea kemm hu b'saħħtu leħen il-politiċi Maltin f'din l-istituzzjoni.
The spirit of the European Union is that we are all on equal footing. Germany and Malta counts both on the same level. Joseph Muscat is a very experienced European politician and he made the voice of Malta very audible in Brussels.
Fl-2017 Malta se jkollha f'idea l-Presidenza tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Martin Schulz huwa fiduċjuż li din tista' tkun suċċess.
My experience is that there is no difference between big member states and small member states leading the European Union, and therefore, especially taking into account the experience the acting Maltese government has, I'm looking forward to the Maltese presidents with a certain optimism.
Martin Schulz tem jappella biex l-elettorat juża l-vot tiegħu. Dan biex jażilu x'tip ta' Ewropa jrid.
And to the voters, those who want a just, fair and well-balanced European Union should vote for us, for the Social Democrats.